traffic circle. Take the third exit onto Nevada 172.
Jesus. What? What happened to the car? I'm just applying my brakes and that's it. It was like uneven.
Relax and let Smith's Pickup handle your grocery shopping this week. We start with only the freshest items, then choose your favorites. Carefully pack everything up and load it right into your trunk, so you can feel confident it's what you ordered. Fresh groceries your way with Smith's Pickup and Delivery. Get free delivery during online deal days, plus $30 off.
Exit the traffic circle onto Nevada 172, then turn right to stay on Nevada 1.
Hoover Dam. We are back once again for the second time around. What did you want to do differently this time?
The photo.
Oh. Okay, next time we are hitting all the scenic stops live.
Whoa. Yeah, that would be cool. Look at this.
I can't.
Well, at least that's on the camera.
Oh shit.
Good point, you're driving. I don't know what to even tell you to look. There's so many turns.
You know what's the fun fact about all these rocks here?
What? Tell me, Stanley, what is the fun fact?
These are all rocks that are dug out to make the Hoover Dam. They're not natural.
Yeah, okay. Who had the time to dug this whole thing out?
The United States government.
Oh, really?
Who has the time to dug this out?
Yeah.
You mean dig?
Dig? Did I say Doug?
Yeah.
Stanley said it.
No, he's like.
Yeah, but didn't Stanley say Doug?
No, Stanley did too.
Yeah, Stanley.
Oh, look at that trick of water. Hoover Dam. Oh, damn!
What the?
Oh, wait, should I go with this one? You want to go now? Up to you. There's a lake view.
Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye.
Wait, should we?
Continue for half a mile.
Maybe we should have done these. Oh my god, what the fuck? Maybe we should have done that on the way back.
No, let's just do it here.
Okay.
Because we're already here.
Okay. Look at that. All rocks.
Guys, I'll give you guys some history on this. These are rocks. Old rocks.
You should try taking one.
I'm going to take one and bring it back to Boston.
And I take a rock.
Stanley, you're so dumb. Oh, can we just park here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, we could.
I take a rock
Oh,
from the Hoover Dam.
this is actually really pretty. Oh my goodness.
Where's my...
Poor Stanley.
Stanley doesn't like hit their answer. So he tells them to...
Yep. Oh. We definitely didn't check this place out last time.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Wow. Why? Oh my god. I should go for a jump. You guys can stop on this if you guys want to read what this is. Why do I feel light right now? Huh? Where? I didn't even check yet. Oh my god. Can we walk through there? Yo, this is gonna be really good videos. So it looks like there's a path from below to go into the, oh, someone's walking out of it. Guys, this is beautiful.
Yeah, but I don't know how to get there.
I don't know either. there. I don't think they let us jump off. Definitely not. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm good with this one. You want to be like right here? Right here?
One picture.
No, yeah, for you guys. You want a picture? I want to like be in the center. Here? Here? Maybe I shouldn't do it now.
Yeah, so this garage right here, you had to pay to park, right? Yeah. $10.
10 buckaroos, boys. 10 buckaroos.
Why?
I think there's a lot of, like, we can always, you see, like, over there on top, you can always park there for free. And then you can just walk over
So
here.
You see the one where right before you close that?
Yep.
Like the
Yeah, you see a bunch of parking spots.
Yeah. So that is the view, the next view that I was gonna stop at.
There's a lot of parking spots you can park and just walk around, look at the views.
Yeah.
No need to pay.
Remember when we ate at the cafe here last time?
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember that one.
It was okay.
Visiting center is somewhere over there. I can't remember. I know
think we
behind
were
us.
Really hungry.
Yeah, we were just hungry. Food wasn't that bad. Actually, a bunch just went in to the car.
Wheelchair rental. Hey, I got you.
Thank you. I know you always watch. You always make sure I'm okay.
The gift shop at the Hoover Dam was very,
Meh.
Yeah. We bought water.
Yeah, we bought water, the bottled water, and then we kept the
Grand
can.
Canyon was better.
The Grand Canyon?
Oh, Valley's fine.
Yeah, let's just see.
So I'll just go to the Valley Fire Visitor Center.
Yeah. And then we'll just figure out what to do. We'll go from there. Do we have the parking?
What?
Do we need a park? Free parking?
Actually, should I go all the way up there?
These pictures right. No need to park.
Yeah, but I had to go back that way.
Oh, you have to come back?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we could just go all the way up.
No.
Okay, then yeah, we'll just go. Park. Yeah, parking. You see all this parking up there? All those parking? More parking. All free parking over there. I don't know, I'm going to include that in the video. Alright, I think that's it. Unless you want me to take on the other side.
I think up there is the scenic. Oh wait, it does say $10.
Oh, it does? Alright, never. Guys, I take it back. No free parking.
Yeah, no free parking. Bucket.
Oh wait, no, trailers.
Never mind, trailer's $10. Take it back, guys. It is free.
Like this one here
Yeah,
is $10.
$10. Up there, where that two buses are, it should be free. We parked there last year.
Yeah. And right here in this corner too, it should be free.
Rock.
There's no way to pay it. It's free.
I know.
It's all filled up already.
Of course, nobody wants to walk that far. So
Of course.
the closer ones are always going to get taken up first.
Of course.
Nope, there's a few free
Few over here open.
Yep. Parking over here.
And then you have fun over here in this corner.
You want to park here or should I just continue
You
going?
can park here and then go. We're just going. We're not parking. You want to go out? We don't have to go all the way out. That's just So, wait, you want pictures? I don't know what Al's meant by parking.
Or just a go see it? Pretty good.
Alright, that was enough picture. Just don't get my face in it.
Guys, we are on Valley of Fire. See all that? Where are you guys going?
What do y'all think? It's like, I love the circus shows. Like,
I would love to see after for any circus show. We haven't seen Michael Jackson on.
Wait, we could have just gone out. Huh? Oh, we can't go over there?
This is a
I had to like cover my camera because I didn't want to have the people. At least we got all the pictures of the rocks. We don't have to go into here. No, I'm good with this. There's too many people here. What's Stanley doing? I found Stanley. He's trying to look out the hole right here. Boom. All right, on the road. Yeah, people are walking. I know. We're hiking, not walking. Oh my God. Oh, I realized we're gonna have to walk back. Wait, Alex, hold on. Wait. You gotta take a picture of me running. There's a lot of walking here. Your boy is out of shape. Oh, God.
the other way because that
Huh?
Oh, it's a rock. We're here. I'll keep on. Alright, I got a picture.
This way just not there. Maybe. Way just not. Oh yeah, because it looks like an elephant.
Okay.
How was it? I can drive to Zion.
You sure you want to drive?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
What if you got pulled over?
Then we'll figure it out when that happens.
What if you release this video and then they notice that you were driving right? And then they told the guy, one guy, you only have dollars.
Right.
There's only one you never can see.
Alright, petrol bus. What's that? Cars?
Cars.
Oh.
Oh, wait, that might be inside. No.
Oh my god, it's so hard to walk.
Pictures here.
No, but like, no.
What?
If it should be paved.
This is not a paved walk.
Yeah. And then petrol bus is
Let's go. It's like right. We had to. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to get behind that. The mountain covering it.
you guys with the GoPros.
I know, right? See where we going? I want to see that one.
No, where is it? I just pointed this way and then that was it. We just walked through the CG. That's a campsite.
No, it says Watchman
You hit the
GCG.
river? You get it?
The river right here is us on the right.
No, that's trees.
Never mind, that's trees. Definitely didn't make it for the fucking sunset.
I don't think this is right? Is it over there?
I have no idea. We're following you, boy.
Bruh. We're just going this way.
Do we even know how to come back to our car?
No, but I can just hit the panic button.
That's true too. Oh my god, so cold. I told you guys to bring hoodies.
No, I don't think this is right. No, this is not it.
We are officially lost. Please save our lives, my dude. We are following tour guide Stanley Chunching. We wanted to see the sunset, but
You can see the sun's right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh fuck, they just make you cross a fucking piece of fucking lemon. But let's give me a heads up. I kinda can't. I was just stop right here. Alright, sorry for the cutoff. That was just a little bit of flair for me trying to figure out where the hell did we go. Oh. So cute. They're not even scared of us. It's almost like Narada, Nara Park, but they don't chase you. Oh no, 28%, 5% battery left. Woohoo. Yeah, boys, we don't know where the fuck we are. I think we're gonna get eaten by the wolves. But that's okay. That's alright. Actually, it's not bad. It's still pretty good. Yeah, just no sunset. No sunset. Hmm? Oh my god. They got out? Oh my god, there's a bunch. Holy shit. Oh my god. So majestic. Overtaking the whole entire campground. Guys, look at how much they are. So beautiful, majestic. I am leaving you dead.
How will make it out?
I know. I don't know how one came out. Yeah, only one had a shock collar. I think they put the male leader as the shock collar. Looked like their antler got trimmed.
They're so used to humans now.
Yeah, I know. They're just sitting there looking at us. Yeah, they found us, Stanley. They found us. Stanley, they found us. 21%. No sunset. We come for tomorrow for sunrise. Perhaps. Stay tuned for part 2. Huh?
It's just 10 feet.
Stanley, we're here. Where's the sunset? Mufasa. Gotta take some selfie, of course. Oh, I have no idea what we are doing. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I'm ready for bed. You see, I look like shit. Yeah. Celia just wants to look at the fucking water.
I'm pretty sure it's like somewhere here. It doesn't-
Yeah, this is it. But the issue is, I don't see a sunset.
It's not 8:18 yet.
Dude, there's no sun. It's gone.
8:17. It just started.
Guys, does this look like a sunset to you?
There's too many cars there.
Boys, we're gonna go fishing. Any fishes? I don't think so. What? It is over. Why?
I want to check your camera settings.
Dude, my camera sounds fine.
No, there's something.
Pew, 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 pew. And scene.
There are buses stopped.
Oh, we can actually. Oh yeah. You want to do it?
That means you kind of can. I mean, it won't be too long. This one you can because there's a dollar line.
And there's a small trail up there. Let's go. Huh? Enjoy it?
Go up there and see if they can.
Okay. And this one. All right, Tessin, we were waiting for this long ass line, but we think we're going through a tunnel. We are going through a tunnel.
No stops in tunnel.
No stops in tunnel. Guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for it? It's a tunnel.
Walk down there?
We walked down there, bathroom. You need to go bathroom, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat this and throw it out because I'm getting a little bit hungry.
Okay, so this side.
It just stopped. I don't know what it was.
I don't want the hill.
We could walk down and then walk. If you want to do that.
We could walk a little bit. We don't have to go anywhere because huh? We could walk over there. Just don't fall down. No. Why? That's true.
There's no cars.
That's true, actually. Someone's up top. Huh?
They're using that bathroom.
So there's a lot of people. Stanley's gonna have to use that bathroom too. I do too. Fuck. Is there more down there? Oh. Stanley laughing at. Nothing down here. Oh God. Watch my step. Oh my goodness. I gotta start running. I gotta start doing cardio.
It's up and then down.
Hey, be careful. Mom, come here with it. Mom, body right here. Yeah. I don't want to go. I'm going to go down.
Just stay on that side, please.
Wow.
Mama, if you can do it, I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Mama, if I can do it, you can do it.
Oh my goodness. This is an interesting hike. Oh, be careful, Alan.
At least it happened. Fuck ground.
I know. Oh,
We definitely do not have the shoes with it.
we definitely don't.
That's what you're making the easy ones.
We should not have. I should. This jean's too hot. Should have just wore shorts.
Because you're wearing skinny jeans.
I like it.
Are your arms tired?
If I probably fall. My arm's not tired. I'm just out of breath. Those steps are so uneven.
Yes, Andy. This is nature.
People died up here. Great, yeah, really. Oh my God.
I'll look out over here. We can pause right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Here? Yeah, right here. You get some pictures?
Yeah.
How much longer? Oh my God.
So you go all the way around. All the way up to there,
And that's the end?
I think.
Should we do it?
No.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because we have the hiking.
That's a long ways. I mean, it's just a little circle. Shouldn't be that bad.
All right, Andy. I got you a picture.
This is a part of the view of us coming out like every single stop, because like there's these dotted white lines you guys might see here where you can like come in, park, and basically just park and you can take pictures. You can't park here forever, but you can come here to get some nice scenic view. See? Nice scenery. Hmm? Nope. Didn't say a thing. Don't know what you're talking about. This is very beautiful. Yeah, I think it's really took enough from up top. Yeah, because you're closer up top than here, because I see the water, but that's it. So yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Imagine someone climbed all the way up there and they take a picture from up top. That would be insane.
Rachel probably did.
Maybe.
I mean, she did climb somewhere.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna look at the side over here. We are heading out of Zion and Springdale. It was a nice travel. Yeah, I know. It was fun while it lasts. See all these nice scenery. Parking spots, gotta have to figure those out. Those are not fun at all. But now, let's see what we can look for. So that ball? Who the hell dropped the ball on the ground? Oh, I think I cut myself. Oh, that's not ball. What is it? Press it? Oh, it's just, I think it's just, you can go either way.
This is a petrified sand dunes.
Wait, this is it? Guys, I'm on the petrified sand dunes. Oh, the sun is about to set. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Oh. Oh man, can we really go up that far? Look at this. Yeah, I see actually a human civilization down there. Let's keep going. How you know? No, but they told us to go this way.
That one looks cooler.
I know, but this one's better. Look at the rocks here. Huh? Huh?
Yeah, Andy.
Why don't we keep going up? They said 3 to 5 minute. Said 3 to 5 minute. I don't know. The views are better up here.
Let me ask you. Do you remember what you
Nope. At least I can see where the car is at. If we have to, we just run straight.
Oh yeah? What about without light?
We got flashlights. It might. We're about there, Alex. I see the tip. Wow. I feel like we're explorers today. Wow. I'm on top of the world.
Time to push Andy off.
Hey, that's not nice.
These are
Not stable.
You guys might try going all the way up
Nope.
there.
Let's do it. I'll just
Yeah.
wait here. You can
No, because
go.
look, it's just.
You can go.
Come on, Alex. Come on. You want to do it? It'll be
Nope.
a nice view.
Nope.
It'll be nice.
I'm gonna have a repeat of yesterday.
It was yesterday. I don't remember what repeat was yesterday.